Hello everyone, welcome to Forbidden C++. In this series, we are looking at Q buttons in the Qt widgets play series. So, to create Qt buttons, we will just select Qt widget application and choose. Okay, so I'm gonna name it Qt 6 YT 1 and 4 because this is our fourth project. Okay, so I'm going to select build system CMake. You can likewise choose QMake or QBS. I'm going to go with CMake and next. And I'm creating a Q widget, and you can just unclick this generate form. Okay, and you can select kits from here. I'm going to select my desktop Qt 6.4 MinGW 64-bit. Okay, I'm gonna next finish. Okay, so here you can look. Our project has been building. So just a second. Okay, so in the source files on widget.cpp, you can in you can just create Q buttons, Q push buttons mainly. So there are four types of button in the Q which Qt provides us. So first one is set text. I'm just gonna comment it. So this is the first one, and second one is set icon. Third one is set geometry. Okay, just a minute. Set, and I'm going to comment it. And the last is set menu. I'm just gonna comment it. So these are four types of properties which provided by the Qt buttons. So for creating Q push buttons, I'm just gonna write Q push buttons button, and I'm just creating one object. Okay, so I'm just gonna name it btn and a new to push button. Okay, here you can see there is some error. So just refer to the docs. So I'm just open Google. Okay, and or you can just click on help, and here you can type Q push button. Okay, here you can see there's a Q push button, and I'm going to select it for Qt widget 6.4, and there you can see you have to include a header, include Q push button. Okay, I'm just gonna go and edit header files Qt widgets, and I'm gonna include Q push button. Okay, and I'm gonna save it. Now you can see the error is gone. Okay, so I'm just giving this pointer in here, and I'm gonna select btn set text. Gonna set text. Okay, here is byn. Okay, so on the text I'm just gonna right click, and we can save, and we can run the application. Okay, here you can see like there is one button and there is text written in it. Click. Okay, so on the next line we can give the geometry of this button. Set geometry. Geometry. Okay, so first I will define the format for you. Okay, so set geometry, it goes like first you have to provide the x-axis, then y-axis, then you have to provide the width, and then you have to provide the height. Okay, I'm just gonna make it clear. x-axis, and this one is y-axis. Okay, so here I will set 100, and it should be of size 130 of width and 130 of height. Okay, 120. Okay, so just save it, and then we'll run the application. Okay, so here you can see like it is x-axis, x meters on the x-axis, and above some certain height at y-axis, and its width is 130 and height is also 130. Okay, so next is we gonna see btn, and we can also set the font, set font. Okay, font, and we will just provide q font. It is the default font provided by the qt, and just gonna pass it times, and text font is 15. Okay, semicolon. I'm gonna save it and run the application. So you can see the text is a little bit bigger. Okay, so for to just create some random numbers on the console, I will show you some connections. Okay, connection, and connect btn signal. I'm just gonna provide it click. Okay, so here you can like remove this bool, and after that you can provide the this pointer and the slot random number generator. You can just refer to this run ROT. So just a second, here is some error. Okay, now the error has been solved. You can just run it, and okay, so there is no slot. I will just refer this to some other time. Okay. So other options, what can you do? Like you can set the icon. So I'm going to set the icon btn set icon, q icon. Okay. Just now I'm gonna uh, add new, and I'm gonna add one resource file, and then press and finish. Okay, so here I'm gonna just add res.qrc. So here it is, res.qrc, and I'm gonna open it with q resource, and I'm just gonna add prefix images, and I'm gonna add up one file. Okay, so from desktop we can just add this. Okay, remove that, add file. Okay, so you have to add everything over this build file. Okay, so from the desktop I'm just gonna copy, and I'm just gonna paste it here. Okay, so this has been added, like you can just see this has been added on the q widget file. I'm just gonna comment this all, and on the q set icon I'm just gonna okay, and comment this first. Okay, you just give the path images, and it's print preview.png. Like here you can also see. So I'm just gonna save it and run. So you can see the icon has been added to the button. So just let me uncomment this and this. Let me run it again. Okay, so here you can see the image has been added. Okay, you can also adjust the size of the button. btn set icon size. Okay, so you can add one property to size. It is given by the qp itself, and you can adjust the height and width. So I'm going to give it 36. Okay, I'm gonna run it. So you can see like the icon has been a little bit bigger. Okay, so you can also add a pop-up menu. For that, you have to go to QWidgets and gonna just include one header file, Q menu. Okay, and in the widget.cpp, I'm just gonna have create one Q menu and here menu and equal to new Q menu, and here I'm just gonna give menu dot add action, and I'm just gonna give it copy. I'm just gonna save it. Okay, okay, so let me just comment this file and let me run it again. Okay, so for Q menu, you have to create a main window.cpp. So we will check it out in next video. And okay, so for now, it is. Thanks for watching.